let us discuss a question asked in GATE 2018 in civil examination in the forenoon session. So this question is of transportation engineering and it says calculate the number of standard axles in million standard axles for a highway having a design life of 15 years. So design life is saying that n equal to 15 years. Then he says the rate of growth of traffic as 6%. So R, rate of growth of traffic, he is saying as 6%. Then he says the vehicle damage factor is 4. So F is equals to 4. Vehicle damage factor is 4. Then he says lane distribution factor is also given. D equal to 0.75. Then he says the existing traffic is 3000 vehicles per day. That means A equal to 3000 vehicles per day. And he is asking us to calculate the number of standard axles. So we know that the number of standard axles, it is equal to 365 into 1 plus r to the power of n minus 1 into A into D into F divided by R. So this is the formula to calculate the number of standard axles. Simple substitution, we have all the values. So n will be equal to 365 into 1 plus 0.06 to the power of n is 15 minus 1 into A is 3000 into D is 0.75 and F is 4 divided by 0.06. So n equal to 76461561. This is in standard axles, and since he is asking in million standard axles, so n will be equal to 76.46 MSA. So the answer came out to be 76.46 million standard axles. Again, it's a memory based question. If you have any doubt in the question or in the solution, kindly call us on this particular number which is displayed on the board. Thank you.